Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week has been off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today, you guys, I want to share with you a product that was sent out to me by a company called Aphina. So thank you to Aphina for sponsoring today's video. So they sent me out one of their filtered shower heads. So Aphina is the #1 dermatologist recommended filtered shower head. Our tap water, especially our water that's in our shower, can be full of chemicals and chlorine that's really bad for your hair and skin. So Aphina's patent pending filter is the most powerful filter that filters out 98% of those harmful chemicals out of your shower water. So I'm super excited to try out this new shower head. So I'm going to unbox it here with you all today and show you how it comes in the package. So when you open up your package, you will receive a few things. First, you'll receive a kit, and this kit, it just comes with the instructions. It comes with the warranty card or limited warranty card, and it tells you basically how to install the shower head and then how often to change out the filter. Now, Aphina does recommend you change out the filter every 90 days. And then it also comes with everything you would need to install the shower head. So it will come with the shower head itself, a wrench, and then also some shower tape. One thing I can say about this product so far from unboxing it is how large the shower head is, which is going to be super great for excellent coverage when you're taking a shower. I love that it comes in this matte black finish, which gives you a sleek and modern design, so it can fit into any home decor style. Absolutely love that. So I'm going to take the shower head out the box, and this is how large the shower head is, and it's really simple and easy to install. So it just comes with the shower head itself, and then like I said, it also comes with the tool you would need to attach it to your existing fixture. So the shower head itself does come in two different finishes. It comes in this matte black finish as you see here, and it also comes in a chrome finish. So I'm going to be installing this into my second bathroom, and then I'm going to have my husband go ahead and install it. One thing I love about this shower head is that usually with high water pressure, most often the filter shower head will have very low water pressure, but the Aphina has the best water pressure on the market. So this is supposed to help with itchy and dry skin and damaged hair. So I'm super excited to give this a try out. So he literally just had to unscrew our old shower head. He put the masking tape or the tape that you would need for the fixture, and then he simply just screwed on the Aphina shower head. The installation was super simple, really quick, and it was done in less than 5 minutes. If you're interested in trying out the Aphina shower head for yourself, don't forget to click my link down in the description box below for your special discount. And thank you again to Aphina for sponsoring today's video. Okay, you guys, so let's continue on with today's video. So I thought I'd come on here and share a mini home tour. So this is just going to be a video showcasing all of the rooms and areas that I have decorated this year in my home for Christmas 2025. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to be talking, and I'm just going to be sharing this video to music. So sit back and enjoy it, and I hope you all enjoy this video. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my Christmas home tour. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you all in my next one. And thank you to Aphina for sponsoring today's video.